Hi. CodeHS gives you the option of having student work automatically graded upon a student submitting, or have student work come into your queue for grading. We automatically select a few default exercises that we consider worthwhile to grade, but you may want to remove or add exercises to your queue as you see fit. You can make these changes in the Assignments tab, and then navigating down to the assignment you would like to grade. So I'm going to do Fireman Carol. I'm just going to hit the Edit button. Once I'm here, I'm just going to scroll down to Award Full Credit Upon Submission. Now, right now, this activity is set to award full credit upon submission. So these are turned to on. So that means if a student completes an exercise, they satisfy all of the automated CodeHS test cases, the student will receive full credit once they submit. To change this, I can do it in a couple different ways. I can pull this into my grading queue for all of my sections, which I can do here. I'll change both of them. Or I can choose which section I would like to grade this for. So for instance, if I only want period 2 submissions, I can go ahead and turn the award full credit upon submission back on for my demo section. One point to note here is a student still needs to satisfy the test cases that CodeHS sets up for the exercise, which is to say we want to make sure that students are hitting upon certain key parts of the exercise. This prevents students from submitting blank code for you to review. And that's it.